Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to sell coins on Bonkbot. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First you will need just to have your Bonkbot initialized. To do so you will need just to go to the bonkbot.io website, and then you will need just to search for get started button that you will find in the middle of the page, or if it took you to the Bonkbot documentation you will find this Telegram link. You click on this link and it will take you to the Bonkbot Telegram page. You will need just to send a message or open the DM, and then you will need just to start your wallet by clicking on start that you will find at the first message. Then it will show you this home page or this home menu or main menu, and after that here we can find the buy and here we can find the sell and manage. And basically, you need first to have already some tokens or coins on your wallet. If I click here on sell and manage, I will find that there is no open position. And also, if you can, if we go to the Bonkbot documentation, you can see how you can sell on Bonkbot. So basically, you click on sell, and here you can find how all you can see all your positions, and basically you can either sell whatever you like. You can go for each scan or for each uh, go through each position, and you can see them and you can buy from here and sell however you like. So basically this is how you can do this with Bookbot. And basically, you need just to set up your Bookbot as easy as that. You need just to go Telegram, sell, click on the sell button, and make sure that you have already some funds. And after that, you will be able to sell. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.